Hi traders, Dow, we've got a major resistance and a pivot, monthly pivot level up there at 13,665. Set an alarm up there. So if we break 13,500, I think we're going to get there. We may possibly move sideways a bit on Monday on low volume, pull back down to come and pick up the 8, and then move up. Gold is moving sideways. So just back to that Dow a second. Just want to point out the fact we're in a huge channel from the first quarter of 2011. Okay, so I mean R3 is way up here at 14,000, but we've got the fiscal cliff is still not fully resolved because they have still got some decisions to make on spending. Euro, let's look at Euro first. Euro had a great day on Friday. I think we need to come down and retest these levels here because the 8 EMA is right down here under that trend line. So we are very extended. So I would be patient with Euro. Pound, we may possibly come down and see these 161 again. But if we can eventually this week break the high at 161.73, I'd expect that to go to 165. If we can really get motoring on that, I'd expect that to go to 165. On the downside, we've got a reversal bar here with a low at 162.25. That's going to be a major problem to get through. We've got lower highs, lower lows. So we've got to be careful with this pound. If we start to close under here on Monday, and then I'm going to have to consider getting bullish. But the 50 EMA is under here. The lower end of this. 50 EMA is 161. So I'm going to stick to the bullish plan and intraday look to buy those lows. The M pairs are just very, very extended. If we see 142 in the pound yen, I would be a buyer. That is very, very extended. Pound Aussie, I think is a buy here. 152.90 now. Or 152.68 if we can get it. But we're holding this. We're above this trend line, looking as if we're going to come back to 156. The Aussie is very weak. That's major resistance up there at 106. But we are above. This is a very, very big trend line. So we hold that R1 pivot, monthly R1, move sideways. I think we could break 106 and bust up. So keep an eye on that. One word of caution: this US dollar Swissy, that breaks down to this 90 area. I could set an alarm down there for that. If we come down to 90 and that holds, then we could see some strength in the dollar. Oil is very extended. 50% fibs and extreme RSI. On the commodities, there's one I like. That's not it. This is it. That's a hammer. So all the pivots have covered it. That's a hammer on a major level of support and a fib level. I'm looking for the beans to get up to 15.30 and possibly higher on the back of that. This is the time of the year to buy beans. UK stocks, Excite XEL is doing well. Vodafone is holding up, expecting that to go to R3 170. BG expecting that to go to 1070, which is R1. General sitting on that monthly pivot there. I think if we're under this apex, move sideways, I think we could break up here. I think we're just consolidating. And we are under the 50 EMA there. So if we retest this lower level 750, I'll be a buyer of General. Sentiment is going mad. If we see 50 again in CEY sentiment, that is a great place to get in. Let's put an alarm. If you're not in that one, watch out for 50 because I think that's going places. We've hit a lot of resistance up here, or we're about to hit a lot of resistance. 60. Alpha BT is holding the fib zone. If we can get above 300, I think we'll close the gap and going to see R3 at 315. BG is holding the highs. So BT is holding the highs, and BG, as I said, 1070. Okay, Traders Round Table is all going to be about you. Come to me with any questions about the markets, any questions about the charts, any issues you've got with your trading, and I want to make it your Traders Round Table. And of course we will look at the markets as well. So enjoy what's left of your weekend, and see you in the next update.